Hey guys, Stephanie Farron here, the media specialist at David W. Butler High School, and on behalf of Amy Slack, our technology facilitator, here is another quick student tech tip of the week. At startup, your Chromebook opens two websites by default. One of them is the Google site for Butler Home, and that gives you the list of the quick links that you always need and all the announcements for school. Also on this page, in the top right-hand corner, is the link for WBHS. So you can see the announcements, which are Mondays and Thursdays every week. There's also an archive where you can click to watch previous Butler announcements off of YouTube, as well as the live stream link, which is whenever we have an assembly, whenever Mr. Golden does a Be Live or Be Informed at night for parents. So all these things are found off of the Butler homepage. A great tip for this is to make this a bookmark, so you can always have this open as you're not always shutting down your computers. You can do that by starring the page and then saving it to your bookmarks, and then you can find your bookmarks once you do that by clicking your three-dot menu and going down your bookmarks. Also notice if you turn on the show bookmarks bar, so mine is checkmarked, then I have this bookmarks bar that runs across the top of my page. And if I want to get the Butler High School site to pop up on my page, then I can actually just click right here at the little lock and then drag it down and add that link. So I'm going to do it one more time so you can see them twice. If I want to adjust that, then I can come and hit delete or remove. I can also rename that. So it's something I can remember and quickly link back to. This is a great tool. We also have it linked off of the school site, but this is really good so you know what's going on at school on a regular basis. You can quickly see the announcements on Mondays and Thursdays, and you can go back to the archive to see what's going on. And you have a quick link to all of your logins, okay? So bookmark things that are important to you. All right, have a great day.